Your brand new iPhone deserves the best protection, and the iLune 3-pack screen protector plus 3-pack camera lens protector has you covered. Don't take risks with your iPhone. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to Electro Drive News. I'm your host. Recently, a study by the Bruning Law Firm of Missouri ranked 2 Tesla electric vehicles among the top 10 safest and most affordable EVs on the road. And yes, you heard that right. Despite the recent wave of vandalism against Tesla property, these 2 models still made the cut. Let's take a closer look at how they fared. According to the study, the Tesla Model Y ranked 6th overall, with 1.01 fatal crashes per 10,000 vehicles sold. This is impressive considering its starting manufacturer's suggested retail price of around $46,000. The analysts praised the Model Y for combining a strong brand reputation with a well-rounded safety profile. On the other hand, the Tesla Model 3 came in at 8th place, with 2.56 fatal crashes per 10,000 vehicles sold. While this is still better than most vehicles on the market, it's worth noting that the Model 3's starting MSRP is over $44,000. Still, the fact remains that both these models are among the safest and most affordable EVs available. It's interesting to see how electric vehicles stack up against their gas-powered counterparts when it comes to safety. The Bruning study used fatal crash data from 2019 to 2022 to calculate crashability, and affordability was measured by each vehicle's starting MSRP. So, if you're in the market for a new EV, these 2 Tesla models are definitely worth considering. And while we can't ignore the recent vandalism incidents, it's clear that Tesla has made significant strides in terms of safety and affordability. That's all for today's report from Electro Drive News. Stay charged, and we'll see you next time.